What is an RPG, adventure game, or platformer without collectibles? Not much fun, right? Well, lucky for you, by the time this video is done, you'll have a complete and customizable collectible system for your game. First, we need to go to the content browser and then right-click and add a new actor blueprint class and name it whatever you want your collectible to be called. Next, open it up and in the viewport tab of the actor, press the add button and add a cube mesh or any other mesh you want. This is what your player will see in the world. If you need to, you can make it smaller by modifying its scale with the scale tool at the top. Next, we need to add a box collision so we know when we collide with our player. Now go to the details panel for the box and press the plus next to the on component begin overlap option, then go to the event graph. Then you need to cast to your character from the other actor pin of the event overlap. Now before we continue, we have to go back to the player actor to set up a variable for the collectible. Just open up your player actor, then press the plus icon next to variables and add an integer and give it a name. Then compile and save and go back to your collectible. Now back in the collectible, from the as pin of the cast node, drag out a get node for your collectible variable. Then from it, drag out an add node and set the second value to 1. Then you can set the variable using the new value we just calculated. Next, after that, you can drag out a print string just to show the current amount of collectibles picked up. Then you can drag out a destroy actor node at the end so the collectible disappears. Now we'll make it such that the collectible will rotate in the air to make it look better than being static. To do this, we will go back to the viewport and we will add a rotating movement component to the actor. Finally, compile and save and go back to the map. Now back in the map, you can drag out the collectible objects to the level and press play. Now to test it, just walk up to the collectibles and you should see a number in the top right increase by 1 each time you get near a collectible, and the collectible should disappear. Now when you are in development, a simple print string node will work wonders, but when you compile the game, the node will not be used. This is why we need to make a UI for the player to see how many of the collectibles they have. Start by right-clicking in the content browser, then under User Interface, select Widget Blueprint, and in the pop-up, just select the first option, then give it a name and open it. Now in the widget, we need to add a canvas panel, followed by a text block in the upper right hand corner. Next, you can change the font to be bigger, and you can set the text block to a binding. Now in the event graph, you want to right click and search for a get player character node, then from the return value cast to the character. Next, search for the variable you made earlier and use it as the input for the return value. Then you can save and compile and go back to your character blueprint. Now in the blueprint, find the event begin play, and at the end, you can add a create widget node set to the widget we just made. Then from return value, drag out an add to viewport node and save and compile. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to see more like it each week. I am very close to 500 subscribers and your help would be amazing. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them below or in my Discord. The video appearing now is picked by YouTube and I know you will love it. Until next time, have a great day and bye for now.